Hi there. Today I will guide you to how to use ChatGPT and Sudowrite to generate a short story. With the help of these, you can generate a whole story within a few minutes. The first thing I will do is I will head to my ChatGPT. I can ask anything. And the second thing that I will do is I will sign in my account in the Sudowrite. And now you can see I sign in my account in Sudowrite. Now in order to create a short story, the first thing I will do, I click on this icon, and I will add a new project. You can see a new project has been added. Now let's move to the GPT, and here I will ask ChatGPT, I want to generate a whole new story, so write a short story. And with the help Sudowrite, I can complete that. So let me write. So as you can see, the ChatGPT write this for me. It's the title and a short of description. What I need to do is, the first thing is I will copy the title of the story, and I will paste the title in. After pasting the title, copy the story description, and I will put it in the Sudowrite. Few additional things you can do in the Sudowrite is if you enable the Story Bible with the help of this, you can describe much more. Think about your story like brain dump, genre, style, and much more. But I will not do anything because I want to create a short story. So that's why I'll disable it. Tap on here and click on the option Write. Then Sudo will start generating your story. As you can see, these are the story by Sudo. Here you can type of stories. This one is the jungle pulsed with life. And second is the moon swelled above. Whatever you want to choose, click on Insert. Now if you want to rewrite it, then select what you want to rewrite and tap on the Rewrite. Then Sudo will rewrite everything. And if you want to describe something about your story, then click on this Describe and Sudo will do it. You can see here you can describe sight, smell, taste, and much more. Pick this one is Quick Edit. If I click on it, here I can edit my selection in Sudowrite. So using ChatGPT and Sudo, you can generate a whole new story. And you just use the GPT for getting the title and a little bit description, and then copy and paste in the Sudowrite. And then Sudo will complete all the story, and that's it.